Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hey beautiful people, thank you for coming back. Today I'm going to be just talking to you guys about a topic that just came about with Nikkie tutorials. I just want to come on here and give you my thoughts and my opinions about her, and it's really gonna probably hit home because I'm not transgender or part of the LGBT community, but I am a supporter of the LGBT community, and I will always be supportive of them because deep down inside, at the end of the day, they're normal people just like you and I. They're just, you know, coming out is just harder than anybody can imagine. I made a video, I think last year, about my best friend. She came out of the closet to me, and it didn't matter to me. I still don't care till this day, and I love her more than life itself. And you know, it's just, I know how hard it was for her, and I'm always gonna say this because you know, I'm Indian, and in our culture it's frowned upon, and it shouldn't be. People should be able to be who they are and love who they are, and no one should ever question that or be taken that away from them. That's just how it is in our community, and it really sucks. But I just want to come on here and say, Nikki, that you are one of the most inspiring makeup artists out there, and I will always love you and will always support you for who you are. It doesn't matter that doesn't matter. Like, you are who you are. You create some of the most incredible designs and makeup looks that I've ever seen, and I want to, you know, I wanted to do that one day too, and you always inspired me. And that you're Dutch too, that's just another added bonus, because Dutch people are amazing. They all really are amazing people. I love Holland, and I don't know, it kind of just hit my heart because I know how hard and how scared you must be, but just know that you will have people that will love and adore you for who you are, and none of that's gonna ever matter. So just don't ever stop doing videos, don't ever stop being who you are. And if people don't like it, then you know what, they can go kick rocks or go do something else. But it just sucks that in these times, that especially when you put yourself out there online, that you're always going to have people that are trolls, that are always going to look for anything. Like you said in your video, that someone was trying to blackmail you. That's a bunch of bullshit, and whoever can do that, they can go rot in hell for trying to do that to you. I just want to tell you that I will always support you and love you. And it's just, wow, Jeffree Star, he's going through his breakup, and now you're going through this. It's just like, you know, the beauty community, it is really a huge world, but then when it comes down to it, everybody has feelings at the end of the day. Everybody gets caught up in their feelings, and it's okay to tell them and express them. Even in the way you did it, it's just, maybe you weren't ready, but you know, I'm thankful for every video and every tutorial that you've done. Like, you've inspired so many people. I watched that show Glow Up, the British show, and I saw you on there. That was really cool that you got to be a part of that. I know I'm probably late talking about that, but I thought that was really cool and interesting that you got to be a part of that. And you get to be a part of so many things. And don't let any of this stop you from doing whatever it is that you want to do. I just want to tell you, Nikki, that I love you, and I will always support you no matter what. You're feeling so relieved too, because that's a huge weight lifted off your shoulders. Again, like me going back to my best friend, when she came out to me, I could care less. I just said I love her for who she is, and I will always love you, my best friend. I miss her so much. She moved away a couple years ago, and she's married today, and she has an amazing wife, and I love her just as well. So, you know, it doesn't matter at the end of the day. All that matters is how you live your life and how you treat others. And if you give back, you know, if you want to give back, there's so many people in Australia, all the animals that need help. So if people want to go stir up some controversy, go help the animals, go donate to them. But that's another video. But anyways, I just wanted to come on here and tell you, Nikki, I don't know if you'll ever see this, but I adore you. You get hand hearts from the trans community, the trans music community, the whatever my little side of the world over here. Just want you to know how much I adore you and I love you, and I always will. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye, every birdie. Bye, Nikki. Hope you see this. Listen, to know I love you, and you are adored by so many people that will always support you. So until next time, bye, every birdie. Bye, beautiful people.